Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to delete files and folders in Google Drive. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Gmail. Now I'll tap on this Google Apps and go to Drive. Now you can see I'm here in my Google Drive. Now to delete any files or folder, you can see here are files and here is folder. The procedure is same to delete files and folder. First of all, I'll delete one file. For that, just click on these three dots on any files you want to delete. You can see here are three dots. Now I'll click on this and now over here is move to trash. Click on this and you can see file move to trash. After that, if you want to delete this permanently, just go to trash and over here you'll find this. Just click on these three dots and choose this delete forever. And now again confirm this delete forever. And now you can see the file is deleted forever. Now the same goes for folder. For that, go to this folder section, click on these three dots and click on this move to trash and go to this trash. And again click on three dots and click on this delete forever and again confirm this and now you can see folder is also deleted. So in this way we can delete files and folders in Google Drive. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.